Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce my team from 10 room. My name is Rans Gunarodak.
My name is Dewi Irma Amalia.
My name is Ilham Alifia Rizky.
My name is Nadila Andriani.
My name is Retno Rahmadian.
And this is my our presentation.
First, I will present about banking industry during pandemic COVID-19. COVID-19 had a major impact in Indonesia, especially in the economic field. The virus has had unexpected human and economic consequences across many countries and has resulted in significant market and interest rate volatility. In order to maintain economic growth, the government provides a stimulus so that the economy can move again. Government regulation in Substitute of Law or Perpu No. 1/2020 regarding state financial policy and financial system stability for handling the COVID-19 pandemic.
And the impact of pandemic for banking industry. First, decreased capital adequacy ratio or CAR, and increase in non-performing loans. Third, party funds DPK also slowed down. And last, decreased net income. Along with its healthy impact, the COVID-19 pandemic is rapidly disrupting business and consumer activity in affect area and beyond. Coronavirus challenged traditional banking habits as communities spread to the coronavirus. Profit-rates alternative to join in-person banking and physical exchange are looking more and more attractive. For example, the WHO has advised people to use contactless payment and avoid handling banknotes as much as possible. That's because the coronavirus might continue to live in banknotes for days, accelerating spread of the disease. The provisions is contained in Article 2 of the PJOK, which states that banks, credit banks, or financial institutions can implement this policy to support the stimulus of economic growth to the public atau debtor affected by COVID-19.
How banks survive during this pandemic? First, banks must manage risk mitigation appropriately. Banks must have new navigational maps to deal with the existing crisis. Two, banks should focus on the industry, the prospects for being financed. Banks must be selective in the business sectors that exist and develop amid the outbreak of the coronavirus. 3. Digital banking. And 4. Innovation and creativity of the bank.
Banking officer, how are during this pandemic? The following list of banks that have changed their service hours, including PT Bank Sentral Asia open 8:15 until 2 p.m. Bank Mandiri open 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. Bank DKI open 8:30 until 2 p.m. Bank Negara Indonesia open 9 a.m. until 2 p.m.
The platform customer use during this pandemic. Due to the spread of the coronavirus, the world is increasingly moving towards digital banking. This is one of the positive things in addition to a number of negative effects and risks faced by the banking industry due to the COVID-19 pandemic. If you have problem about your banking account, you can directly at the bank and the bank website, bank mobile application, and call center of the bank.
And how banks survive in a COVID-19 pandemic. must look beyond the pandemic and use this crisis as basic to imagine their role in the new reality that waits. First, bank must continue to focus on customer need to help them recover from the impact of COVID-19. Equally, bank must adapt their operating model to drive efficiency and resilience. And third, risk management threshold needs to be reflective of broader economic change, and greater attention must be given to more challenged customer segments. And that's all we can say. I hope this presentation helped you to improve your knowledge about banking during this pandemic, and forgive my mistake. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.